Okay, so here we have our drawing. We got our, you could see our model space in there, but we don't really, we don't have this viewport set up. So first of all, we'll erase this existing viewport. I'll click outside of it and click it and hit delete. So now we have just paper. This is just paper space, the actual 11 by 17 paper. So um, what we need to do now is uh, create a viewport. So what we'll do is type in VPORT, viewport, viewport, and see you get a this thing. So you can choose all these four equal. Let's do four equal. But you can do one single, and I'll show you a couple other things. So let's do this one. Okay, and so we'll go up here and I like to keep it a little off the corner. So I'll turn off of this thing, snap, and just go right up here and get it close in the corner as I can. And that way I don't erase it in lines and makes it easier. So there's four equal viewports. And each one of them is different than the others. So let's click in one of these viewports and see how to set it up. So now we have it, we activated this upper right viewport. You can see it by the dark lines. Now down here on the bar right here, we have this little thing right here. It's got these numbers, and that's the scale it's set to right now, which is no scale. I mean, it's set to scale, but it's not a usable scale. So what we do is click on that arrow and go up here, and then we have all these scales right here. This is one I use a lot for different drawings. 1/8 equals 1 foot. But the most popular I try to use for readability is this 1/4, even though I think it's a little big. But sometimes when you're dealing with the cities, I was doing a drawing for Pinell County, and the lady said she couldn't read it. Well, she could read it. I said, I could read it, and I'm half blind. But anyway, blah, blah. Anyway, she meant that she couldn't scan it into her system. She's a very nice lady, and sometimes I feel bad because I'm a smart ass. But anyway, you click that and watch how it changed. So now it got everything out of view, and not everything will fit in the 1/4. So right here, they have a handy tool. They used to not have this. By the way, I've been doing AutoCAD since release 14, which was quite a few years ago now. So we use this pan right here, and we can move around in there. And so it fits the 10 by 10, but not much else. And so this is our original square, I think, or I think it might be 20. I don't know. But anyway, let's show you how to dimension in here while I got this open. So I click outside of it. Oh, wait a second here. Hit escape. Hit escape. And now I can lock, I want to lock this in because otherwise it won't go. Now you can see the scales down here. I hit this little lock here, and that's locked in at 1/4. The only way to unlock it is to go outside of it, click outside of it, and select it. This is why I like to use it a little off so it's easier to select. So there I can select it, and then I can unlock it. But otherwise it's locked, and it'll stay that way. Now let's do a different one over here. So click over here, and we'll change this one to, let's do a 1/28. You never use this, but anyway. So look how small it makes it. And then we lock that one in also. Escape. Click outside of the box. Click in the box. And you can lock it in, and it'll have that 1/28. So you can do a scale for each one of these. And that's pretty much how you set up these viewports. I don't want, because let's use a more usable scale. So I'll click in this one. And we'll go down here and it's not locked, so 1/8. So we could see more stuff in there, and then we lock it and escape and click out of it. And that's how you set up a viewport. Now you would also have a title block that you could pull. Blocks, I'll show you how I do that in maybe the next drawing, the next course. That's it for this one though. So let's save this.